everyone. Today we are going to construct the quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Now we move to exercise 4.3 question 1 third part, that is construct parallelogram HEAR where HE equal to 5 cm, EA equal to 6 cm and angle R equal to 85 degree. Look at the given measures. We see that only 3 measures are given. Are you able to construct a quadrilateral with these 3 measures? No, we are not able to construct. For construct a unique quadrilateral, we need 5 measures. Here we have 3 measures and we have to construct parallelogram. Hence we can use the properties of parallelogram to obtain 2 more measures. So what is the first step to construct the parallelogram? Yes, we have to draw the rough figure of the parallelogram. So I am drawing a rough figure of the parallelogram and give the name as HEAR. What are the measures given? First we have to write it. H is 5 cm, EA 6 cm and angle R is given 85 degree. As you know that two sides, adjacent sides are given. If you know the included angle, then only we have to construct the quadrilateral. So here by using the properties of parallelogram, angle E equal to angle R equal to 85 degree. The reason is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So here we have to write 85 degree. Now EA we are taking as the base. We need one more angle. 2 angle now we got. We need one more angle because our construction is 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. 2 adjacent side we got, 2 angle we got. By the property of parallelogram we can find the third angle, angle A. Angle A equal to 180 minus 85 degree, that is equal to 95 degree. Since adjacent sides of a parallelogram are supplementary. Now by using this property we found angle A equal to 95 degree. Now we got 3 angles and 2 adjacent sides. So with this given measures we are able to construct the parallelogram. Now what about angle H? Angle H will be 95 degree. Now we can see how to construct the parallelogram. Similarly we have HE equal to AR equal to 5 cm. Reason opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Now we have 2 adjacent sides 6 cm and 5 cm and 3 angles 85 degree, 95 degree and 85 degree. Now we are able to construct parallelogram HEAR. For that first we have to draw line segment EA equal to 6 cm. Take the scale and you can draw, mark the point. Here from here take 6 cm. Draw a line segment. Mark it as EA 6 cm. Now look at the angles given. Given angles are 85 degree and 95 degree, which are not a multiple of 15. So we are not able to construct. So we have to draw the angle at the point E by using protractor. So take the protractor, arrange the base with the line segment, base of the protractor with the line segment drawn here. C0 should be exactly coincident with the line we have drawn. See, our line segment is extending on the right side. Clear? The line segment is extending on the right side. So you have to take a 0 from that side only. So we want to mark angle 85 degree. So you can take 0 in the inside one. Where is the line segment is extending? From that side you have to take the 0. So 85 degree I am getting here. Mark the point as 85. Or see, in the line segment I am fixing this protractor on the left side of the line segment. So 0 from right side you have to choose. Now I marked 85 degree. Now I have to join this 85 degree. Now at A I have to draw 95 degree. So I am keeping at A, that means right side of the line segment. So from where I have to take the measure? Yes, the line segment is extending on left side, that means I have to take 0 from this side only, same side where the line segment is extending, from the same side you have to take the 0. 95, 0, 10, 20, you can see 90, and this is the point 95. Now remove the protractor and join the line. I have drawn 95 degree. Now we have AR equal to 5 centimeter. So in the compass you have to take 5 centimeter radius. Take exact 5 centimeter radius, and with the center A, draw an arc. Where the arc intersects the ray, this is the required point R. Now at R, we have to draw 85 degree. For that you have to turn the book, take the protractor and fix it at a R. The base center of the protractor will coincident with the point R. The baseline, the line segment is extending on this side only, we are taking. So, or you can make it understand, we are keeping the protractor on the base of protractor on the right side. So take 0 from left side. We want 85 degrees. So 10, 20, that is outer circle, we can take 85. This is the point 85. Now you have to join this point. This is 85 degree. And the point of intersection of this, you can mark it as H. This is the required point H. You know that opposite angle of A is H. So if we measure this one with the protractor, we will get 95 degree. I kept the protractor like this way on this base. H and you can see that this is the line segment 95 degree. This is 95 degree. That means angle RHE or angle H equal to 95 degree. So the construction of quadrilateral is parallelogram is perfect here. Now we have to write the steps for construction. Now write the steps for construction. For that, first we have to draw line segment EA equal to 6 cm. We have to draw. Now at E, draw 85 degree angle with the help of protractor. At A, draw an angle 95 degree by using protractor. With the center A and radius 5 cm, draw an arc which intersect the ray. Mark the point of intersection as R. Now at R, you have to draw angle 85 degree by using protractor. Now the point of intersection of rays, mark the point of intersection as H. Now HEAR is the required parallelogram. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and